Break the green beans for Daddy. Oh, good boy. Think you can break the carrot?
Squeeze!
Oh, you did it! Good job! Good job!
Okay. You eat it? Can you taste it? Can you taste? Nom nom nom. Can Liam taste?
You did it! Good job!
Thank you. I was going to cut these up, but I guess not.